Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining this session. And hope you guys are able to see the screen, right? Can you guys confirm?
Yes.
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay, perfect. So, yeah. Thanks. Yes. I can see Nita. Yes. Ramya, Krishna. Yes. Thank you. Okay. So, welcome you all to the first demo session of Tosca. And my name is Rajesh, and I have 11 plus years of experience in IT. Okay. So, now let us start with the demo session. Before we start the demo session, so guys, everyone fill the form and go on mute everyone. Go on mute please. Yeah. Before we start the session, let us have one question. So be honest and let us have, see guys, let us put this session as an interactive session, not like a boring session. Okay. Who have joined, welcome again. So my name is Rajesh and I have 11 plus years of experience and this is the first demo for Tosca. Okay. Now I will ask one question to everyone. Okay. So don't touch screen, please. Yeah. I will ask one question to you. Let me ask something honestly. Okay. So you need to guys respond. The first one, see here. How many of you are stuck in manual testing for 2+ years of experience? Like you have 2+ years of experience, but you got stuck in manual testing. And how many are applied but not getting automation calls at all? You're not getting the calls at all. Very good. Very good. Next, how many tried Selenium but coding feels difficult? Like somewhere you see the ad and you have joined Selenium, but it's not at all worthy. Okay, means you're not able to understand. How many from BPO non-IT wants to enter IT but confused where to start? If you have any question in this mind, please raise your hand or put some emoji, like type yes in the chat box, guys. Everyone. Okay, I can see me. Very good. Very good, guys. Yeah. So Nita said yes. Rami Krishna, very good. Aditya, yes. Pravallika, Aditya, very good. Pranay, okay. Okay, guys. Very good. Akshay, very good. Monica, Nagaraj is also same position. Yes, guys. We are all in the same position, right? So we have a lot of experience, but due to lack of guidance, we don't get more opportunities. And our experience is more, but salary is very less. Our experience is 9 years, but our salary is 5 LPA. Okay, go on mute, guys. Whoever joined now, please fill the form. Very good, guys. Thanks for responding. Okay, please fill the form in the chat box. Now, yes. So we all are facing this trouble, guys. Right? So we all are in the same phase where we couldn't able to get the good job or we are not able to proceed further. Right? Now, what if I told you I have a solution for this? Okay, I have a best solution for this one. What is the solution? I will teach you. Okay, so whatever the solution we have, we will teach you. Before that, I want to introduce and whatever the pain you are feeling, I have a solution for this one. Okay. Now, before we start, let me introduce about myself to everyone. Okay. My name is Rajesh and I have 11+ years of experience in IT and I have kickstarted my career. See, before you are learning, you need to understand from whom you have learned, right? So you are learning from 11+ years of experience IT and I have placed more than 500 plus students. Whatever the questions you have, please put it in the chat box. And I kickstarted my career with the manual testing. Later, I moved to the ETL testing. And later, I went to the database testing, Selenium with Java. And finally, currently, I'm working as a Tosca technical lead. Okay. So I'm just not a trainer, guys. Okay. I have very huge experience in uh, Tosca and I have trained more than 2000 plus students in my entire career. Okay. Now, with that experience, we are currently at 72nd batch. Guys. Okay. So this batch is 72nd batch and welcome you all to the 72 batch. Okay. Now, I'm not only a trainer, guys. Okay. I have currently working in MNC company. Okay. I have been in Infosys previously. You can check my profile. You're not able to see it?
Yeah,
Yes, Rajesh. There is.
You're able
Can
to
you
see
please
it,
zoom
right?
out somehow? Able to see, but not completely. Only half of that.
Is the same issue for everyone?
No.
It's
No.
It's
no,
clear, right?
Rajesh. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
clear for me.
Pranay, please check it, okay? Please check it your screen and
Yep. Sure.
rejoin back. Okay?
Sorry for this.
Thanks. No worries. No worries.
Yeah.
Now, see, I'm currently working in an MNC company. Okay? We have a plan, I will tell you. Okay? And I'm not only a trainer, I'm a panel member also. Like, I have, I will take the interview for level 1 and level 2. Previously, I used to take level 1. Now, yeah, thanks for that. No, I'm currently working as a panel member also in one of the MNC companies. Okay. Now, don't think that I'm a normal trainer, guys. Okay. Because I won't tell you the theoretical concepts. Okay. As I told you, where your trainer is expertise is, first of all, I have started my career with manual. Later, I moved to the ETL testing. Next, database testing. Next, Selenium with Java. And I feel coding is very stuck. And finally, I have landed in the Tosca tech lead. Okay, I'm currently working in Tosca Commander. From past 7+ years of experience I have in Tosca. Okay, yeah, I have 7+ years of experience in Tosca. Okay, now what is your thought? Like, I am a real-time trainer. Okay, what is the difference between a normal trainer and a real-time trainer? The major difference between a normal trainer and a real-time trainer is I will tell you the real-time challenges, whatever I have faced. Okay, guys, please fill the form, guys. Please fill the form. To get all this one, please fill the form. Real-time trainer. I'm a real-time trainer, guys. What is this real-time training? This real-time training means I won't tell you the theoretical concept. I will tell you the practical concepts. For example, whatever the challenges I have faced, whatever the challenges you may face it in future, if you become a Tosca automation test. Okay, we have a roadmap for this. Okay, I will teach you the roadmap. Now, first of all, what I will do, we have a plan in place. Okay. So if I talk about the layout or the learning path, what we are going to teach you once you joined in our respective training. Okay. So coming to the learning path, first of all, we will start with the basics, guys. Okay. Very basics we will try to teach you. Once the basics are done, we will move to the intermediate concepts for Tosca. See, this is how you need to learn the subject. Okay. First, we will go for basic concepts. Next, we will go for intermediate concept. Next one, we will go for the advanced concepts, guys. In Tosca, whatever the basic things we have, first we will learn like that. Next, we will move to the intermediate level concept. And finally, we will go to the advanced. And we will also learn the expert level. Okay. So this is our learning path, guys. Right? So without knowing anything about the Tosca, we can learn all these things. In the basic concept, we will try to teach you the Tosca fundamentals. Like whatever the fundamentals we have, we will teach that one. I will teach you guys. I'm your trainer. Okay. Next, we will go to the intermediate level concepts. Whatever the concepts we have already there in the course curriculum, I will show it to you. Okay. Now, advanced automation technique. Okay, so whatever the advanced automations there in Tosca, we will explain. And finally, expert level, we will talk about DEX, CI/CD, API testing with Tosca, database, real-time projects, each and everything I will explain, guys. Okay, now how we will go? We will first go for the basics, right? So we will learn about the basics. Next, we will go to the intermediate level, right? So we'll go for the intermediate level. Next, advanced and more advanced. Whatever the advanced concepts we have, that concepts we will teach you and we will explain in detail, guys. This is how you need to learn it. That too, since I'm a real-time trainer, I'm currently working in the project. So I will teach whatever the basics you needed, whatever the challenges I faced it when I am a fresher in Tosca, whatever the challenges you may face it in the Tosca. So everything I will tell you clearly. Okay. Now, in your mind, what you will think, do we need any prior knowledge or? For example, I can see a lot of manual testers are there and they are not able to get more salary and they are not able to do all these things, right? Yes, since you are facing the same issue, I have a solution for it. We have a proper roadmap. What if I tell you, you don't need any prior experience, guys? No prior experience, no prior knowledge. Okay, so you should not have any prior knowledge to learn the Tosca. If you are a manual tester with 2+ years of experience or any non-IT, including the BPO or any person, you can select it. Okay, I have placed, I will show the proofs also. I have placed it and my students nowadays, they are getting, go on mute guys, please go on mute. Hi everyone, go on mute. Okay, please fill the form guys. No prior knowledge is needed guys. My students who are there, I have lot of examples to showcase that whatever the students I have, they have placed it and they got 60% to 100% hike guys. They have got it. They got 60% to 100% hike in there. From one company to another company, they have changed it. How we need to do it, how is our practice should be there. I will explain that in the roadmap. Clear? So I will explain each and everything in detail. Right? So I will show you the proof that whoever got where they have placed it and how they are getting it and whatever the roadmap they have followed. I will give that roadmap to you. Okay. So how many members wants to convert their career into IT or how many members wants to get or they got stuck it in, they want 60 to 100% hike. Please type hike in the chat box guys, everyone. Please put hike in the chat box. Very good, Neeta. Thanks. Okay. Got it. Pranay wants to do. Bhargav, very good. Ganesh, Sai Charan, very good, guys. So you all guys need a hike of at least 60 to 100% of hike what you are expecting on the current series. Okay. In order to get this one, you need to have a roadmap. You need to understand the concept very clear. Okay. Now, without wasting any time, thank you. Thank you so much. So I'm getting a lot of messages. Thanks, guys. Now, let us start. What is our plan? So we need to have our roadmap there, right? So we need to have our roadmap and we need to understand how we need to get this roadmap. Okay. So let us go for the roadmap and understand what is our strategy. See guys, most of the persons, since I have trained more than 2000 plus students, right? Most of the students got stuck in their career due to this problem. What is the problem? Like their practice are not good and they are facing lot of troubles. Like they're not managing their work-life balance. They don't know what sequence we need to complete it, how we need to kickstart it. So let us start from here, guys. You all are from here. Okay. So you all are in this situation, right? Now, what if I tell you, I will put it like this. What I will tell, first of all, if you want to learn or if you want to upgrade to any skill, I'm not talking about the one skill, guys. If you are planning for any other skills also, okay, first of all, you need to complete your theory part. Okay, we need to go to our basics. Okay, theory part, whatever the theoretical concept, and my way of teaching will start from here. First of all, I will teach the theoretical concepts. Okay, what theory in the sense, not a definition way theory, guys. With the respect to real time only, I will go ahead and tell you the theory. Now, everyone will do these things, right? So theory, they have done it. Means whatever the concept you have, they have done it. How we need to use that in real time. This is what the missing, guys. Okay, why you are not able to understand the concept? They are just telling the theory wherever, whatever which is available in the YouTube, they are copy pasting it and they are putting and you are learning that. And I saw, okay, I saw most of the persons which have 3+ years of experience also teaching this Tosca. Okay, in Tosca alone, I have 7+ years of experience. Okay, I have 7+ years of experience in Tosca. Okay, I have 7+ years of experience in Tosca, guys. So since I have 7+ years of experience, I have trained and I am leading the team. I know what are the challenges they have faced it. Based on that, it took almost 8 months to prepare this course curriculum and structurize this course curriculum, guys. With that one, we will understand the subject. First, I will tell you the theory concept, how we need to use that in the real-time project. Okay, real-time project. What are the challenges you have faced it, and everything I will discuss. Okay, now your theory is done and you have understood how to apply that in the real-time project. The next one, what we will do, we will go for practical exam. 1 minute. I will tell you the practical examples or real-time scenarios also. Okay, so I will tell you the real-time scenarios also. Okay, once it is done, see, we have understood the theory and we have understood the conceptual one. Now we will go to the interview question and answers. Means on the same class, whatever I'm teaching on the same class, we will have the interview question and answers. I will teach you interview question and answers right away. Right? So all questions, whatever they have asked previously with related to that subject. See guys, I am not a fresher. I am training 6:30, 9:30, 8 p.m. Okay. Previously also I have teach lot of batches, 7 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 8 p.m. Okay. So each and everything previously also I have trained lot of persons. Okay. Now I know how to teach it. I have placed lot of persons. I will show the proof also. How much percentage hike they got it. Please stay till last. Okay. Now interview questions are done. Whatever all possible questions, guys, all possible interview question and answers, I will give it to you related to that topic. Okay, so related to that topic, each and every interview questions will be done. Means you are learning the theory on the same class, you are understanding how we need to apply that in the real time and interview question and answers. See how interesting it is. Now you will learn, you will listen this one, right? Sometimes you won't be able to listen that, and whether you are up to the mark or not, how you will understand. For that, I will give a daily task. Once I have told the interview questions, I will I will give you the daily task. Okay, so daily task I will give it to you and I will explain. I will give one example in the normal way, and the homework, whatever the task I am giving to you, I will give the tougher one so that you can do it. If you have any issues, I'm here to explain about. Okay, now, okay, Rajesh, we have understood this one. Daily classes, you will teach it, and daily task you will give it. Most of the persons won't do this task, right? So due to this XYZ reasons, they are in other situation, or they can be having a work life, like the work pressure is more. You're all in this trouble, guys. Now what we will do, we will track your work also. We will track your work. How we will track it, guys? We will give one path. You need to upload all the tasks there. We will give you the path. Okay, I will show it to you. Okay, so we will track your respective work. Okay, whoever facing the trouble in doing the work, okay, or till here everyone is able to do it, but daily task nobody is able to do it. How many of you have in that situation? You are able to understand the concept, but due to the work-life balance, you are not able to do this task. Okay, put task in the chat box, guys. Everyone, put task in the chat box. Means if you are not able to do work due to your respective, or you are not able to practice it due to the problem that you need to go to office, work from home has started, or office has started, you are facing lot of trouble. Please put task in the chat box. Very good. Very good. So Sai is facing the same issue. Ganesh is facing, Pravalika, Asha, Haripriya. Very good. Yes. Charan is also facing the same issue. Shivaram. Yes. Yes. Even I used to face the same thing. So we have a solution for that. Okay. We will track your work, and in the class itself, we will try to connect with you and understand whatever the challenges you are facing. We will try to resolve that one. Why? Because nobody, just if you go to any training institute or any others, right, they are doing till here. What they are doing, they are interviewing, they are giving interview questions. Somebody with 3 years of experience, or just now they have learned from the trainer like me and they are teaching it. So what you will get it? You won't get it, right? I have all proofs. I will show it. Okay. Now, okay, Rajesh, we will practice the daily task as you suggested since you are giving and you are tracking. Till here, everything is good. Okay. Now, what I will do it, I will conduct the daily test, which is of MCQ. For example, you have listened the class. Okay. So you have listened the class and you want to, what you need to do, you need to do the daily task. And after that, we will get a daily test. Okay. Whoever want the daily test sample link, please put MCQ in the chat box, guys, and fill the form. We will send it to you. Please fill the form. We will conduct one sample test over here. Okay. Whoever need this sample MCQ test, put MCQ in the chat box and fill the form to share the link. Very good. Very good, guys. You guys are awesome. Thanks. I'm very happy. Okay, very good, guys. Hafiz is telling MCQs. Okay, we will share it. We will share the link with you. So please fill the form, guys, so that we can share you the link. The form is in the chat box. Okay. Now, apart from this, we will also conduct a mock test for 60 questions. For example, once you have completed, okay, once you have completed, we will conduct 2 mega tests. Okay, which is the concept of old Tosca, which are the previous interview questions only. But we will go for MCQs also. Hey Rajesh, you may ask this question. Nobody is asking. I am all asking. Why you are doing this much? Okay, we need to do it, guys. So that's where your roadmap is missing. That's where you're not able to crack the interview. That's where your 60% or 100% hike is not coming. You're just listening the subject. By listening, you won't get anything. You need to practice. So if you go to our college or what we call our school days, they used to conduct the test. Why? That spirit you need to get it there. That's what we want here. Okay. Now, what is the class will be? Class we will have Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour class will be there. Okay. Now, in the class, we will take 10 minutes for doubt sessions. Okay. 10 minutes for doubt session. Now you will ask me, hey Rajesh, we will practice. You are asking me to practice, keep on practice the real-time scenarios, you will tell it. And interview questions, you will get it. I will get lot of questions, right? You may get lot of questions. For that, we have Saturday doubt session. Okay. See guys, this all comes under learning only. This all comes under the learning only. Okay. Whoever joined with 966, please change your name. Else the team will remove you. Please change the name. Got it? So in the doubt session, so just now we have completed the previous doubt session. I can share that link with you, whatever the questions they are asked. Today's class with today's name. Whoever wants that doubt session link, please put doubt in the chat box, guys. Whoever wants to listen that doubt session, how these doubt sessions are going, please put doubts in the chat box. Very good. You guys are good. Please put doubt in the session. Whoever are responding, right, for that only I can share the link. Okay. Please share it. Whoever wants to listen the doubt session, how the sessions are going. Who want that one? Please put it doubt in the chat box. Very good. Very good. We got very good response. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please, guys, I want to share all these things with you. If I want to share all these things, you need to please fill the form. Else we won't be able to do it. Admin team, please put the link in the chat box, please. Okay. Now you got the point, right? Everything is good. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. Now let us move. Now, what else we will give it? I will give you the class notes, guys. Okay. So I will give you the class notes. How I am typing now, I have a habit of typing the class notes. Okay. Typing the class notes in the live and I will share it with you. Okay. I want to tell one example. Guys, who will remember, who will understand this one? Let me prove you. Okay. This is the batch, the 8 p.m. batch or the previous batch, whatever it is. See here, I will teach the steps also, how to configure the license. Step by step process I will teach, guys. See, step 1, step 2, step 3. Once it is done, what I promised you, I will tell you the interview questions also, right? What I told you, how to configure the license, what are the types of licenses which are available. Means the concept, whatever I am teaching for that day, what I will do, I will tell you the theoretical concept. Next, I will tell you whatever the important interview questions and whatever the how to configure. See, I have given the interview questions also. See, guys, 90% will be from my class notes. 90% are from my class notes. Remember like that. Okay, that's what I will do. And this is not, this is a typed notes, guys. I will give you typed notes like this. Okay, I will see interview questions. I will teach the subject with respect to interview questions. Okay, now whoever wants to have this one, I will give it to you. Understand the subject. See, this is how my teaching would be. Everything we will provide. Come with an empty brain, we will fill Tosca in your brain. See, now till here, learning paths are done, right? You have learned this subject. Now, once you have learned this subject, everything is done. Means we have started from theory, we have understood the practical example, interview question and answers, daily MCQs we are doing, and we are following this roadmap. This is what exactly what we're gonna do for next 60 days. The course duration would be 50 to 55 days, and it can be increased. I will tell each and every concept in detail. If more concepts are added, I will add that concepts also. Okay. Now you will upload your respective task in the drive or whatever the field we are given. Don't, Rajesh, please don't do it. Please remove that. Yes, thanks. Now, so whatever the things we have, we need to understand that, and we have practiced well, guys. Okay, so we have done the practice well. Next, what you need to? You need to give me the mock interview, guys. I will take you the mock interview. For example, we have a lot of persons here, right? For example, we have Ganesh. Whoever 996799, please change your name. Okay. Now we will provide the mock interview, guys. Once we have provided the mock interview, now I will tell you, hey, Ganesh, you are not in the right way. Hey, Aditya, you are not in the right way. Hey, Charan, Ganesh. So now once you are part of this course, you will be added into one group where we will discuss each and everything, guys. Okay. We will take the questions at the last. Okay. We will share the links also at the last. Okay. Hey, Karthik or Kalyan, Pranay, Pujita, you all guys are good with the mock interview. Please go ahead. Please proceed further and get the job done. Okay. I will tell that one. Now what you will do? Okay. Mock interviews are done. So if you are good, I will tell a frank opinion, whatever you can crack it or not, that I will tell you guys. If you are not passed in this mock interview, again, we need to go back and do all these things again one more time. Okay. Now, once your mock interviews are done, now you are clear, then your resume preparation will be done. Okay. Resume preparation will be done. Then we will add you in paid WhatsApp group where we will put the job updates. Like we'll also provide the placement assistant. Okay, we'll provide the placement assistant. We will create the group and we will add you. Daily, we will send a couple of opportunities in the group where you can apply and you can do it. And with this knowledge, whatever I shared it, okay, with this knowledge, whatever I shared it, you will get this one. Whatever I shared it, you can face the interview. Either it can be virtual interview or face-to-face interview. Crack your interview. Okay, crack your final interview. This is what you need to do for next 50 to 55 days. Then only you can switch your career. Okay. Now, just I am telling and I am typing and I am doing it, guys. Now, let me prove each and everything, whatever I do. Okay. First one, I told you the theoretical concept. As I told you, see here, I will tell the theory first. Whatever the theories we have, that I will teach first. Next, I will tell you in real time what workspaces we have used. For example, see here, see scenario one, whatever we have done it. Okay. In real time, what we will do? See, in real time, we won't create a workspace. See, I'm telling note in the note point, I'm telling that we won't do this one in real time. Our entire slides or our entire teaching will be with respect to the real time only, guys. Okay. And finally, I will teach you two projects. Okay. Projects are very, very important, right? I will give you two projects and I'm planning two more projects. Okay. So this project will be banking and insurance. Please change your name. Whoever it is, hey 9666, please change your name. Yeah. Now banking project we will teach you and we will teach you the insurance project. Okay. Now I'm planning some other two projects, the retail and healthcare also. So that everything will be in our website. We are planning for that. Soon it will be available. Clear? I will tell you with respect to the real-time project. Now, interview question and answers. Whatever the challenge you will face it, you will prepare for it, but you don't know how to answer this in front of the interviewer. Right? So now, what I have done it, I have a particular thing where I have already given 100 plus interview questions. With rest, apart from this, what you will get, guys, if you joined in this one, you will get 100 plus interview questions. Interview question and answers. If you joined, I will give you 100 plus Tosca interview question and answers. Okay? It's not like material, guys. Not material. It's not materialistic thing. Okay? It's like practical, live interview question and answers where I have taught. Okay? Where I have taught with my 7 years of experience, I have recorded all these 100 plus interview questions, how to answer. See, you will prepare for the interview, but you don't know how to present yourself in the interview. Right? So how many are in this position? You are able to learn everything, but when interview comes, you are not able to put your 100% concentration and not able to present yourself the best in interview. Type interview in the chat box, guys. Me, type me. Okay, interview or me, anything. Very good. So what you are doing, you are just trying to learn the subject, but you are not able to put that efforts in the interview. Right? If you are not able to put that in the interview, what I have done, I have minimized your work. Okay? What I have done, I have made interview questions live, how to present yourself in the interview. If somebody is asked you questions like, tell me about yourself, or somebody is asked you some questions in the Tosca. So what you need to do, you need to understand this one, right? Now, if you can see my screen where I have explained clearly that, see, if somebody is asked the real-time question, what is the question they have asked? For example, they have asked you to introduce about yourself. See, introduce about yourself. So how to answer yourself in the interview? Okay, and I have already done, for example, what are the main components of the Tosca? See, what are the main components of which is available in Tosca? Theory everyone is getting, guys, but practically they are not understanding it. You got my point? So practically they are not understanding it. In that situation, I have clearly explained you how to tell vision A. For example, there is vision A. What is vision A in Tosca? How you need to answer it. The interviewer will ask the question. This is how you need to answer it. I have clearly get this one. Now I will send this link to you. How many wants this link? Can you please type me in the chat box, please? Me in the chat box. Whoever wants this one, I will share this link, guys. Okay. For this link, I have put a lot of efforts and I have done this one. So I will share this link with you. Okay. Not only this, if you joined, you will get the bonus of 100 more questions. See, these all questions are from previous asked interview questions. 100 plus 100. Now you will get 200 plus interview questions. Now you tell me, if you prepared for 200 interview questions, 95% will be from our notes only. Whoever attend the interview, go ahead and watch most of the questions from my class notes only, my thing only. In order to get this one, you need to fill the form. Okay. If I want to share it with you, please fill the form. I'm sharing again, you will get it. Okay. 200. Apart from this, what bonus you will get it? Okay. So apart from this, what bonus I will give, guys? I will give 100 plus real-time interview question. Real-time interview question and answers. Real-time, not interview. Scenario-based question. Scenario question and answers. See, 100 plus real-time scenarios, which is already there. I have recorded and I have placed some of that. Okay. See, I will give this. I have already uploaded some videos and you will also get those links also. See, now I have done more scenarios. Like, for example, if you are belongs to one thing, okay, if you belongs to Tosca and you are not able to understand the concept and you want to do some hands-on, everyone should do hands-on, right? So here, see, I have done scenario-based questions. Okay, scenario-based questions. See, real-time scenario 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything I will teach. Okay. So in order to get this link also, please fill the form. I will share it right away. After this class, you will get this link, guys. Okay. Now, this is what we will prepare, guys. This is what our preparation strategy and our roadmap. Okay. Now, let us start. Put your 100% concentration here. We have till wait at the last, guys. We have one mega bonus. Okay. Which I will give it for only this coming batch. Okay. So please stay tuned. In order to get this one, please fill the form and stay tuned. Now, what we are here, we all are here to learn Tosca, right? So we all are here to Tosca. We are all here to learn Tosca. Now, let us start why we are here and what is Tosca. Let us understand some flavor of Tosca. Okay. Now, why to learn Tosca? That's what there in your mind, right? Why to learn Tosca? We have a lot of features. The first feature is codeless tool. Tosca is a codeless tool. So that's why you need to learn the Tosca. Before you are learning Tosca, what is this Tricentis and what is this Tosca? Tosca is the tool, guys. Tricentis is the company. How you have your Excel sheet, right? Okay. Can anyone tell me who has built this Excel sheet? Who has the owner of Excel?
Microsoft.
Microsoft. Very good. So Microsoft is the company and Tricentis is the tool and Tosca is the product. Okay. How you have Excel, right? Tosca is one of the product. Tricentis is the company. So most of the persons will confuse between Tosca and Tricentis. And the pronunciation for this Tosca is, somebody call it as Tosca. Okay. Or somebody they will call it in different way. The pronunciation is Tosca. Tosca. Okay. Now, why we need to learn Tosca? First reason is it's a codeless automation. That's why we need to learn Tosca. Next one, it is a model-based testing. Okay, so it's a model-based testing. So that's why you need to learn Tosca. Model-based testing. What is model-based? Generally, we'll have script-based and model-based test. Script-based means you need to write a lot of code. Okay, you need to write a lot of code. But in model-based, you won't write any code. You will put it in a models. The code will be at the backend. Okay, so script-based means you need to write a lot of script like Selenium and Java. And next one is model-based is we need to The Tosca will write the code. That's it. So that is the major advantage. So that's why you need to learn Tosca. Next one, AI-driven testing. See, AI is already introduced in the Tosca. Okay, AI is already introduced in the Tosca. Okay, how it is, I will let you know. So that's why you need to learn Tosca. Now, cross technology supports means it will support all your cross technologies. It can automate all kinds of application. That's why you need to learn Tosca. Okay, next one, user friendly and easy to learn. Okay, so this is how the Tosca will look like, guys. See, Tosca Commander is the product. Okay, now it's a user friendly, guys. Means it's very easy to see. Unlike the coding, if you go for coding, right? See here, this is Eclipse where you will write a lot of code. For manual testers or for any non-IT candidates, it is very hard to understand when you're writing the code, guys. Okay, when you write the code, you need to, for small things also, you need to write a lot of code in Selenium. Okay, now it's a user friendly since there is no coding and the model based approach. So it is easy learning and easy to learn and user friendly. So that's why you need to learn Tosca. Next, continuous integration and continuous testing, you can do it, guys. Okay, now everyone is looking for this CI/CD, right? So continuous integration and continuous testing. So everyone is back on this one. In continuous integration and continuous deployment, if you're still writing the code, no one is ready to accept your code base. Okay, in CI/CD, with respect to Tosca, you can integrate with CI/CD. So that's why you need to learn. The next one is you can integrate with any test management tool like Jira and Qtest, where manual tester can easily run the respective test. That's why you need to learn Tosca. See, a lot of advantages. More things are coming up. Stay tuned, guys. Next, what type of testings we can automate using Tosca? This is the key feature of Tosca, guys. What is the key feature? If you are working in web application, all web applications you can automate it. This desktop applications, SAP. There is no tool in the market which can automate SAP. There is one tool, Worksoft, which is very costly license. Apart from this, SAP, we can automate it with Tosca very easily. Means it's a desktop application. You can automate it. Okay. Next one. All your Salesforce applications, you can automate it. Right? All Salesforce application. Mobile automation, you can. Database, ETL, API, Pega applications, Azure, mainframes, AWS, and so on. Tell me one tool in the market where it can automate all these things. Okay, so Selenium is Godfather. Okay, even Selenium can't automate SAP. Whoever Selenium testers has in the group or in the class, they can understand it. Some part of API testing, they can do it. If they want to compare two databases, they want to write minimum 200 to 300 lines of code, guys. 200 to 300 lines of code you need to write. So all this application, that too with zero coding. See, means you won't write a single piece of code to automate this one. Okay, got it? So this is the capability of Tosca. So that's why for example, you are the client. Now one application is automating everything. Which one you will select? Rather going for Selenium, again going for Appium, or again going for any mainframe systems or any utility, go for Tosca and automate all your enterprises applications. That too, zero coding. If you do it with Java dependency resources, you need to hire it. If you want to migrate to Playwright or any other new technologies, again, you need to change the entire code. In Tosca, since there is no coding, there is no need of changing any code. So that's why everyone is looking for this Tosca. And in the job market, we have good hiring for Tosca. Okay, got it? Done. Now, next, what you need to do? What are the benefits you will get? Okay, the benefits is scriptless automation. What are the major benefits we have? Tosca is a scriptless automation. Next one, model based. I told you, right? We won't write the script. It's a model-based tool. In one of the interview, they have asked this question. What is meant by model-based testing? We will understand this. What is model-based? Okay. Next one. AI-powered test case generator. Okay. You can draw it in a pen and paper and you can give it to the Tosca. It will automatically scan the module. Very unique concept, guys. AI is already integrated with Tosca. We will teach, and that one we will call it as Vision AI. Okay, so that we will call it as Vision AI, guys. Next one, self-healing. Self-healing, guys, means today you have done something, and later due to the enhancement of the application, it has changed it to Y. Then automatically this AI and machine learning will identify. It will self-heal by itself without failing, and smart object recognition will be done with Vision AI. We will learn, guys. We will see Vision AI. Next one, risk-based testing also you can. Optimization also you can. Next, faster test cases creation. There is no coding, right? You can create n number of test cases in single day. Next one, low maintenance and the effort. Since there is no coding, there is no need of more maintenance, or there is no dependencies on the others, and you can easily do it. Okay, reusable test modules, guys. We have reusable test modules. We can reuse the same thing again and again. If you created, I can use it. I created, you can use it. Next one, end-to-end testing capability. We have end-to-end testing capability, guys. And built-in API testing. You can automate API testing. The list is not done, guys. We have more. Strong API automation, SAP automation support. We can automate all kinds of SAP like SD, sales and distribution, material management, S4 HANA, everything you can. Next one, strong SAP automation support and data integrity testing, data-driven testing. If you want to run a single test case with multiple set of data, you can do this one. Okay, next one, cross-browser execution, you can do it. CI/CD integration and DevOps also you can do it. Enterprise level reporting and analysis also you can do it. Impact-based testing you can do. Scalability, okay, scale for larger enterprises. Business readable test cases. Reduced automation cost. Because rather hiring more coders, non-coders can be hired and they can do it. Faster regression cycle. Since you can schedule the job, you can faster your regression cycle. Then benefits are clear. Now we will go to our training contains, what our Tosca training will contain, what I will teach it. First of all, we will start with the web, guys. Tosca web, we will start it. What is Tosca web generally? If you handle a table in web, it is same everywhere, guys. Okay. So if it is a table in any application, the table will be everywhere. Okay. This means table will contain rows and columns. Okay. Table has rows and columns. If you have rows and columns, database also will have rows and columns. Excel sheet also have the rows and columns. Web table, desktop table means we won't learn the concept theoretically. We will understand the where to apply these things. If you learned, I will teach you how to handle a table, a generic table, so that you can do it in any places. So let us start with the web. Next, we will go to the desktop application. Next, database testing, I will teach it. Next, API testing with respect to Tosca, I will teach it. Okay. Next one, SAP and TCD, TDM and TDS is very, very important. Nowadays, they are keep on asking this question. Okay. Now, deck setup and agent integration we will do. Next one, Vision AI. We will do Vision AI also. Okay. The AI, I will teach it in the same course. Next, Q-test integration. How to integrate with the Q-test, the test management. You can also do it with Jira. You all know what is Jira. Okay. Next, TQL, Tosca query language, TC shell, CI/CD with Jenkins. Somebody is asked, right? Will you teach CI/CD or not? Yes, we will teach CI/CD also. All these things I will teach, guys, from very basic to advanced with interview question. Whatever I promised here, I will give each and everything. Okay. Now everybody is telling AI will replace the tester. AI will replace the tester. No, guys. AI won't replace the tester. AI will replace the person who is not learning the AI and applying that in the day-to-day life. Okay. So that's why we have Vision AI in this place. We will learn the Vision AI also. In the Vision AI driven, it's basically a AI driven framework here with machine learning capability. The Vision AI has everywhere we are getting the generative AI and artificial intelligence. It is already integrated with Tosca guy with the name called Vision AI. Here, with machine learning, Vision AI will see and steer any interface just like human. Like in Selenium, you will capture it, right? In Tosca, you should not be captured. You can directly take this one. Okay, this makes your automation future-proof as adaptable as human brain. Means how you are thinking, the Tosca will think like that. They will learn from your previous experience. The machine learnings will be done. For the first time, we will also be truly shift UI testing to the left. With Vision AI, you can create your automation already based on simple mockup. Means whatever the client is asking, take one pen and paper or the paint like this. Open the paint. Okay. Once you have opened the paint, what you can do? You can, for example, this is logo. This is search box. This is the body. Okay. You can draw it like this and give it to the Tosca. The Tosca will do everything. See how interesting it is? Means we don't need manual testers at all, guys. Just when the developers are developing, we won't write the test cases. We will automate the test cases. That much of advanced concepts I will teach it, and that much of advanced the Tosca is. Nowhere, guys, this kind of tool I have seen in my experience. I didn't see any tool with this much of capability. Okay. Self-healing property is one of these things. See, UI description before any code is written, enabling you to test much earlier in the development lifecycle. They are changing the development lifecycle, entire lifecycle. Okay. So this is all about AI. Now, okay, Rajesh, we have done with this training and we are happy with this training. You may ask this question. What you will ask? What are the certifications you will provide? I told you, right? What we will give? We will give as a bonus as 6 badges and 1 product consultant certification. Okay, which is advanced level. Which is advanced level. 6 badges we will give it. And interesting thing is, who has built the Tosca, guys? Everyone? Who has built the Tosca?
Tricentis.
Perfect. You will get from Tricentis. See, you will get these badges from Tricentis, guys. Okay. Now, what if you want to see this? How many of you want to see this Tricentis certification? How it will look like? Okay. If you want to see it, put 1 in the chat box, guys. Put 1 in the chat box, everyone. Whoever want to see this certification, how this gonna look like, please put 1 in the chat box. Very good. Pravalika, Neeta, Pujita, Valli. Very good, guys. Yes. So now it's time to see what is the product consultant certification and how these respective badges will look like. Okay. Now, if once you have done, you will be pulled into the certification program. Once we have completed our training, now we will give you certifications like 6 badges. AS1, we will call it as AS1, Automation Specialist Level 1. And next one is Automation Specialist Level 2. And next one is TDS, okay, Test Data Services. Next TDS2, AE1 and APA. Till here, these are the basic level, guys. Till here, it's an intermediate level certification. Okay. Till here, we will get more intermediate level. Now, finally, I will give you 1 product consultant certification, which is advanced level. We will get from Tricentis. All these things you will get from Tricentis, guys, not from Institute. Okay. So you will get this advanced level certification. Now it's time to see how the certification will look like. AS1 certification will look like this. Badges. AS1 badge will look like this. And the second one, we will see AS2. Next one, share the badge. Next, you can share the badge to the LinkedIn also. See, this is the badge you will get once you complete the course. Okay. Next one, TDS1. This is how it will look like. Okay. So now it will look like this. Okay. Yeah, guys, only fill the form only once, guys. Okay. Don't fill many times. Whoever not fill the form, please fill the form. Okay. Put only once. We are getting more duplicates. Now, TDS2. This is how it will look like. AE1, API. See, all your badges you will get. And 50-50 points you will get. Okay. Previously it is paid. Now it is free, guys. Okay. Now it's time to see our final product consultant certification with your name as mentioned in this one. Okay. So name as mentioned. Your name will be mentioned here. And you are now a certified automation tester. Okay. Whoever will join this one, you will get this certification. See, so and so, for example, I can see Pujita at the top. Pujita has completed Tricentis Tosca product consultant exam and the issue date, certificate number. See, level is an advanced level. It's not like basic one. It's an advanced. You are an advanced certified candidate from Tricentis. The expiry will be in 2 years, guys. Every certificate will expire in 2 years. So in these 2 years, you need to learn it, again give the certification. You will do your own, and if you are not able to do, I will help you out. Okay. So with this knowledge, whatever I'm teaching, you will get that. Now, we have different students in this one, right? Who should take up this course? Okay. Who should take up the course? Now, manual tester. If you are a manual tester, it's a cakewalk for you. If you are an automation tester with Selenium who wants non-coding, you can join. If you are a software engineer, yes, you can join. If you are an SDET full stack tester to learn automation and improve that in your project, you can do it. Next one, if you are a test manager, want to convert it to technical manager, you can do this one. If you are a automation specialist with basic understanding of Tosca, wants to learn database, DEX, integration, step-by-step process, I will teach, guys. And finally, if you are from a non-IT background with BPO experience or with normal experience, you can do this. You can learn this. Okay. Now, what are the highlights of this course? Okay. First one is duration will be 50 to 60 days. Varies 50 to 55 or 60 days. We will try to complete that in that time phrase. Why I'm giving 50 to 55 days, right? My way of teaching is different, guys. When I'm teaching, I will add more concept. For example, my students will go to interview, right? They will get some questions. If that concept is not covered, I will add that. So that's why I'm giving range. Okay. Next one, interview tips will be given. Weekly assignment and daily assignment will be given. Interview question answer, live interview questions, CV preparation, hands-on experience, mock interview, tool installation. Tosca is a paid tool, guys. We will install the tool in your system. Okay. License will be activated for 3 to 4 months generally, but I will give for 6 months. Okay. Whoever joined today, I will give 6 months, guys. Okay. Next one, business email for certification we need. That also I will provide. Okay. Now, hey Rajesh, every time you are telling the importance of Tosca, let us compare the Tosca with any other tool, guys. Let us compare this. Now, if I told you, if anyone told you what are the major tool which is available in the market is most of the person's automation tool. If I talk about automation tool, they will tell Selenium. Selenium with Java. Yes, guys. Selenium is very good tool in the coding job or in the scripting based. Next one, I am telling that Tosca is one of the best tools, guys. Okay. Now, if I tell it, no one will convince that okay, this is a good tool, right? But let us go with the truth. Let us go with the proof. Now, put your 100% concentration here, guys. till here, this is the key point where the switching will be start. Okay, Selenium is a coding tool, right? Selenium is a coding tool, and Tosca is a non-coding tool, guys. It's a zero coding. We won't write any single piece of code in Tosca, right? Now let us compare the difference between Selenium and Tosca. Okay, whenever we see advantage, we will give +1, guys. Okay, Selenium is an open source. Very good, +1. Right? Selenium is an open source, guys. Yes, Playwright is nothing but it's after Selenium, they are migrating to Playwright. We will compare it. Tosca Commander. Tosca is a licensed, right? -1. Now, Selenium relies heavily on coding, guys. See here, if you want to automate one piece of registering a user in one of the application, you need to write this much of code. You can use some reusability, but for one piece of code, a small piece of code, you need to write this much of code. Whereas in Tosca, what you will do, in Tosca, you just go with the 3 steps. Only 3 steps, guys. Not more than that. Only 3 steps. I will show it to you. So if you want to register a user in anything, what you will do? You will just do 2 things. Okay, see here. See, 3 steps. You will launch the application. You will register a user, like you will click on the register button and you will provide the data. That's it. 1, 2, 3 steps. That too, no coding at all. But the same thing, you can do it with this much of. So that's why Selenium relies heavily on coding -1. So since the amount of the coding involved in Tosca is 0, so +1. Selenium, it doesn't have any dedicated support. We don't have any support, guys. If you face any issue, it's gone. Tosca will have dedicated support. We have support portal. If you put some query, if you got stuck, the client is banging you like anything. At that time, you can do this one. So it is +1. The team will connect and they will resolve your issue. Very hard to understand the code, guys. -1. It's very hard to understand the code for non-coders. Okay, as no coding is involved, so you will use +1. See, this is the difference. With Playwright also, Selenium, how you have Selenium, Playwright will also comes under the open source and heavy on coding. The same thing will be there, guys. But advantage with the Selenium, we can run it in different browsers, which we can already do it in Tosca. Okay, now here comes the major thing. Now, till now, I have just told everything theoretically. Now, it's time to understand one live example, guys. What is this live example? See here. Now, what I will tell, you are an automation tester. For example, think that you are an automation tester. Okay, you are an automation tester, guys. Now, I will go to one application. See, think that you are an automation tester. What I will do, hey, automation tester, go to this application and click on the register button. Provide all this data, whatever the data you want to provide it. Fill this all fields. And click on register button. Okay, now click log out and close it. Means what we have done, register a user in Parabank application. We will close, guys. After this, we will take up the questions. Please wait. So register a user in the Parabank application. That's what it is, right? We need to register a user in the Parabank application. Now, I have already written the code in Selenium. See, in the Selenium, the code is already written here. Whatever I told you for register, you need to write this much of steps. It's very hard to understand, right? First of all. So you need to take the XPath, you need to do this one. Now in this AI era, if you are doing all these things, who is the client will accept it? No, guys. They won't accept it. Now what we will do, let us run and check how this Selenium tool is working. What is our first step? It should open the application, right? The Selenium should open the application. What the Selenium should do? It should go ahead and open the respective application. And once it has opened the application, see, it is going and opening the application. I'm not doing anything, guys. Observe this. Next turn is Tosca turn. Okay. Now it is opening the register button. It is clicking on register button. It will provide all these values and it will log out the page and close the browser. See, this much of code you need to write it in order to automate it. Your account was successfully created, whatever it is printing. Means in all whatever I told you, the Tosca has taken this much of code. Sorry, Selenium has taken this much of code. Now it's time for Tosca to do that. Okay, see, we have not done anything. We have launched the browser. How I have automated, I will tell you guys. Okay, launch the browser. Next one, we have click on the register button. See, no coding at all. The Tosca will click. This is called model based. This is called script based. Okay, now you need to click and provide the respective values. Yes, it is integrated with AI. We will learn it. Okay, so now what you can do, just right click and run this one, guys. Okay, now right click and run this. What it should do, the first step, it should open the respective application in the Edge browser, guys. Perfect. It has opened it. Now what it should do, it should go ahead and click on the register button. Yes, it should provide all the values and it should click on the register button. Next, it should go ahead and click on the logout and it should close all the browsers. See, your test case got passed. Now you compare two tools. One is Tosca. Okay, so one is Tosca. The same steps you have performed in 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are closing. Ignore it. I am closing Edge browser, Firefox, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps. That too without writing any single piece of code. If you have only 5 steps, you are writing this much of code. If you have 50 steps, how much code you will write, guys? Either in the playwright it is same. You will write this much of code. But in Tosca, weight is 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, 5 steps. With 5 steps, you are getting your automatic thing. See, this is how the Tosca stands in the market, and we can also automate the SAP application and so on. Okay, so once you have joined, we will provide you the recordings like this. Okay, we will provide you the recording for 7:30 a.m. It's been so long for last year's screenshot. So I will give you daily class code, sample resume, SAP classes, and all the class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5 with proper these things I will give it. The drive link will be given. Okay, we will give you the practice also. As I told you, I will give all these things, guys. Okay, now whatever the things I have told you, this tracking and all, you will get it, guys. Okay, now I want to show the proof, right? So I told you I will show the proof. Let us go for the proof and we will see it. Our recent batch is 9 p.m. batch. We will go for the 9 p.m. batch and see how these guys are doing and how we are tracking this. Okay, you need proof, right? So who will remember without proof? You need to have that. So let me show them. So this is what your previous batch are doing currently. What is their progress and how they are doing it, you need to understand it. Okay, now see here, not this one, 9 p.m. batch. So see this. What we gonna do for your batch, I will tell you this.
Rajesh, your screen not moving.
Yeah. Wait. I have intentionally done that. Okay, now see it here. Okay, this is how my training would be, guys. Okay, first of all, what I will do, I will give you this one. See, student daily practice. Class note. Class 1, class 2, class 3, whatever we have. Class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, I will tell you. You're getting my point? If you go to this practice, you want to see the practice, right? You want to see the practice. See, all these guys are practicing all these questions. See, all these guys are practicing inside this book. Okay, they will upload all these things, guys. Not only this batch, in any batch, the process is same. Okay, so in any batch, the process is same. See, they can understand this one. See, we will create the folders like this. We will create the folders like this. See, this person just Devi, she has done this one. They will upload the classes like this. Okay, for example, take Akila. See how to create a task. I have given task 1. I will give you the best one. She will put it in a good way. Okay, see here. Now, assignment 1, task 1. What are the steps? Their tasks. Steps, task, steps, task, task 3, task 4, task 5. Whatever the assignment I have given, see, she's preparing her own material. Shalini is preparing that. You're getting my point. This is how we will do it, guys. This is how our practice would be. And our practice, we will try to explain you each and everything in detail. Okay. Now, it's time to get the mega bonus, right? Whoever registered today, I will give some offer for you guys. Okay. The main thing what you will get it is generative AI classes. Classes will be given, guys, which is teach by me. Generative AI classes will be free. Whoever registered today will get generative AI classes today for free. Not only this, 100 plus domain. What domain? Banking domain. 100 plus, which is recorded, guys. It's not like a theory where you have copy pasted or not like that, which is taught by me. That we will get it. How to answer? See, if you go to any interview, right, they may ask the banking domain interview questions also. Next, I will give healthcare domain 100 plus interview question and answers. How many want this one? Put yes in the chat box, guys. How many members want this one? Generative AI, interview question and answers. How many of you want this one? Okay. So whoever filled the form, they will get it. Whoever not filled the form, this is the final chance, guys. Okay. Please fill the form. Whoever not filled the form, please fill this form. I'm sharing for the last time. You will get all these things. Whoever registered today, they will get all these bonus. Apart from these, they will get these bonus also. These videos and everything, you will get it once you have done your registration. Okay. This is all about the demo, guys. Now, please go ahead with your question. Now I am open for the question. Please ask any question. Please unmute yourself and ask the question. Go ahead one by one.
Hi, Rajesh.
Yeah. Hi. Hi, Pranay. Go ahead.
Yeah, what will be the timing of the session and what will be the duration?
Yeah, the duration would be 50 to 60 days. So we are planning to 50 to 55 days. Okay. So the duration would be 50 to 55 days and timing would be 8:30 a.m. And the timing, the team will tell you. Okay. The team will call you and they will tell the exact time. Okay. So morning one batch and evening one batch. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Rajesh.
Next question,
And
please.
still you are working in Infi or you left it?
Very good. I'm not in Infi and my LinkedIn profile. And one more thing, guys. I told you, right, I will give my LinkedIn. My LinkedIn is Rajesh Kumar Ponnaganti. My full name is Rajesh Kumar Ponnaganti. Please go to the LinkedIn and check my profile, guys. So you need to know about your trainer, right? Your trainer name is Rajesh Kumar Ponnaganti, which is me. Please go to the LinkedIn and check what is your trainer is capable and whatever he thinks he is doing currently. Okay. So I have uploaded all these things and I will help lot of members. I have referred lot of members. I'm currently working in MNC company. You can see it in the LinkedIn. Okay. Thanks for letting this know. Yeah.
Hi
Thanks
Rajesh.
for reminding. Go ahead, Wally. Go ahead.
Rajesh.
Yeah, manually I'm working the present working. So in our inaugural training, I check all the profile and ask Tosca. All are need Tosca and SAP and Salesforce only mostly.
Yes, yes,
So
you're right.
especially that Tosca, SAP and Salesforce side.
I
Tosca.
will, I will tell you.
Okay, okay. Carry
Yeah.
on.
How we are getting. See, as I told you, there is no automation tool which can automate SAP. Previously, there is a workshop, a tool called workshop that they have increased the license cost. So what they have done, everyone is migrated to SAP. It means everyone migrated to Tosca with SAP. So that's why nowadays Tosca SAP opportunities are means this tool without coding, it is automating entire all modules of SAP. So that's why you can see SAP and Salesforce opportunities are more as of. It's not like you will have only SAP Salesforce. You know, right? Market will fluctuate from high to low, low to high. All these things you will happen. So now, as of now, we have more SAP, which is already we are covering this. Okay. Now, if anyone want the course curriculum, what I will teach it. Okay. You can go to our website www.ignitesofttech.com and you can go to our courses. Okay. Here we will teach all these things, guys. And one more thing, from this batch, we will also add this topic. Cloud, Copilot, and Agentic AI also I will give. Okay. This is also done for this batch. I have recently added this one. Agentic AI is also part, Copilot is the part, and Tosca Cloud is also part. Okay. So you can get this one if you've done registration today. Okay. All these things I will give it for free for only person who has registered today. Okay. Please do that.
Okay,
See guys,
Rajesh, I have
I
one
will
more
give my
question.
100%. Come with an empty brain. I will fill the task in your brain and with our roadmap and our previously proven approach. What I will do? I will put in front of the interviewer. You just crack the interview. Okay. Yeah. Sorry to cut off, Wally. Go ahead.
Yeah, here need to more concentrate on the. My voice is clear.
Yes, yes, Wally.
Okay,
It's
okay.
clear.
Jenkins and CI/CD integration. It's
Ah,
mostly I recently I joined one interview
you have
also. They
attended the
asking
interview, they are
yes,
asking those questions. Yes, yes.
yes.
Yes, that's what it is. So that's why I've added, right? See here. CI/CD integrations. See here. So everything I have told, whatever I told, these certifications will be there. We will give all these things. What about Tosca? See, guys, no prerequisites are needed. Nothing. Come with an empty mind. Ignite will fill your mind with Tosca from scratch. Okay, so you can go to our course curriculum, whatever we will teach it. So in the advanced topic, we will teach DEX. If you get those questions, they may definitely ask this DEX question, Bali, if I'm not wrong. Did they ask DEX and TACD, TCD, TDS, Vision AI, whatever they have asked? They have asked or not?
They are not asking only asking the CI/CD with
CICD,
Jenkins
directly they are
and
asking CICD with Jenkins,
yes.
right? See, in the Jenkins, how to integrate with Jenkins, how to CICD will work, how we have the execution client, how we need to integrate with Jenkins, execute the test case with Jenkins, integrate Jenkins with execution client, how the schedule jobs. You can also schedule the job with Jenkins. Okay. So
This
maybe
is
they have
very
asked
important
this
topic
question.
they told to me against. So this is very important. So all of the panel members are most concentration here.
Concentrated on
This
the
one.
CI/CD. Yeah,
Yes.
I can understand. Yes, yes. See, it's only one interview. You are generically telling that most of the persons are asking this one, or if you have attended more interviews, very good. Okay, they may
Mm.
ask these kind of other questions also, guys. Nowadays, they are concentrating on decks also, like deck setup, how you have done it, whether you have executed the test cases in the decks or not. Everything, the course curriculum, you can download it for. Thanks,
Okay.
Wally. Thanks for sharing that experience with us. So
Rajesh,
in
what is the time duration of the class? Like
it
evening
would be
batch,
1 hour to 1 hour 10
1 hour?
minutes.
Okay.
Okay. So 1 hour class and 10 minutes doubts.
Yeah. Okay. Clear.
Next.
Rajesh,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
yeah, actually, I have a development background and I have some gap. Now I want to switch to some automation. Will this switch and relate to career? Will
Yes.
switch
See,
will
we
be?
have recently one Java developer. Okay,
Mm.
his name is Praveen. He has joined in one of the MNC company with 1.6 years of gap.
Hmm.
Okay, so 1.6 years of gap and role is Java developer.
Hmm.
Okay, he has 7.5 LPA. He got 11 LPA.
Okay.
Why? Because his overall experience is 2 years only.
Mm-hmm.
That's why the CTC is not went more. If he has the 6 years or some more, right, he can get some 18 LP or something like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
Right.
I
Okay.
can show the proof also. If you want, for everyone, I will show the proofs. Okay, definitely you can do it. Okay, and one more thing, guys. Whoever wants to have one-on-one call with me, after 1 hour, you call the admin team. They will directly connect with me. We can talk it also one-to-one. Who has extra doubts, career gap doubts, or maternity leave doubts? You'll have a lot of doubts. You can't share it here, right? You can ask me also personally. I will guide you everyone. You don't worry. Yeah, Aditya is asking how we will identify the bugs in Tosca. We will run the test script, and if we have any defect, the test case will fail, and we will take the screenshot of the test cases. Okay, that's what we will identify the bugs. We will run the automation scripts in the agents, and whatever the problem you have, the test case will fail right away, and you will get the screenshot, and you can easily understand it. If you give that screenshot to the manual testers, they will raise the defects. Yes, if you know how to raise it and you that is your role, then you can do that. Hope I have answered your question.
Hi Rajesh, sorry for the disturbance.
No, no, please.
Here we are working on the multi-user environment or single-user environment. As per
Multi-user,
training.
multi-user,
Yes, good
multi-user.
to listen.
Yes, multi-user we will go.
Okay.
You know Tosca Valley by any chance?
Yeah, Rajesh. I'm 2 months onwards. I'm practicing with the YouTube. I create my own credentials with my company, and I can practice
Okay,
also.
great,
But
great.
I need some more power in that. So I want
No,
to
no,
change my profile to manual to automate at this year at any cost. So that reason I picked this channel and contact with your team.
very good. Now I will ask one question. Are you doing this approach, whatever I'm taking, that approach which I told you? Are you doing like this, or you are
No,
just
Rajesh.
watching the videos?
Just
That's it.
watching the videos, and I take some suggestions to my friends. Some of the working, so they
Hmm.
said some YouTube channels you can learn this. But I learned these topics and I executed and create the modules, etc. etc. I did, but
Uh,
still I need some more concentrate and
Yeah, yeah. See,
commitment
the
needed.
thing is, what is missing is in YouTube, they will upload the random videos. Okay.
Mm.
But in our class, it's different. See, step one, step two, step three, step four, what you need to learn it. Everything I will explain step by step process. See,
Mm.
the process is missing, not your efforts. Your efforts are good, but you need a guidance. That's it. That's what I feel it. But anyway, we will talk one on one. Okay.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
Rajesh.
Aditya, next class we will do that one. Okay, we are running out of time. So yes, we can do that one. For example, if whatever the test case you have built it, you can intentionally fail this test case and you can get it. The next class I will show. Next.
Hi Rajesh, Navin here. One last
Yeah,
question.
Naveen.
So
Yeah.
this course content will cover SAP as well, right? How long it
Yes.
would? 1 week, 10 days?
It is like rather calling with the weeks and days, right? See, my way of teaching is not a static one, to be very frank. So I have never counted these many classes. Somebody can be increased, somebody can do it. But for SAP, we will teach 10 test cases, 10 scenarios, and basics, 2 classes. It will take around 1 week, more than 1 week.
Since most of the openings are expecting SAP background,
Hey,
but
very
also,
good question you have raised it. What I will tell you, right? Everyone will do one mistake. What the mistake they are doing? They are directly go for this SAP directly. No, you should not do that one. First, you need to understand the concepts of Tosca. Why? Because if you know how to handle the Tosca first, then SAP is a cakewalk for you. Okay. If you're directly learning SAP, it's a wrong approach. Why? Because I will tell you one thing. You tell me if it is SAP drop down or a web drop down, it is same or different. Values may be different, but approach is same, right? If there is a table in the web, SAP also there is a table. Table will contain rows and columns. So if you don't know how to handle a drop down, if you don't know how to handle a table, then how you will automate the SAP API database and all. You're getting my point. So first we will learn all these things, then we will go to the SAP. You will get a good subject from SAP. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Shravya is asking, I'm having 5 years of experience in non-IT, it will work. Yes, it will definitely work. But what is your role? I need role. If you relieve from your organization, what is your role? Sure, Pranay. Thank you so much for joining. We will connect with the tech team. Yes, we will definitely do it. Need to drop off. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining and thanks for being till last. Next question, guys. Any other questions? Yeah. Again, I'm repeating for the last time. I'm giving this one. Whoever not filled the form before you're dropping off, please fill the form. Okay, I have again shared the screen in the chat box. Please fill the form. I will share all these class notes, all the links which I've shared it here, the roadmap, everything I will share it. And whoever filled the form and do the registration for today, they will get all this as free. And more things are coming up. Okay, stay tuned. Anything else you have, guys, apart from this?
Rajesh, one question. I don't think this question makes sense actually.
Please,
So,
please.
when coming to open source, like Playwright is evolving fast in the market. So, will it replace Tosca in future?
See, that's what it is. Playwright doesn't have any AI capability. Playwright doesn't have any taking all these things and doing by their own machine learning capability. So nowhere we can compare this script-based tool and model-based tool. And see, I will tell you one thing. If you learn Playwright now, it's a waste of time. Don't learn Playwright. Why? Because the Selenium tester who have already done, there they can learn the Playwright and they can upgrade it in a smaller way. That's it. Okay, these all, see, I will tell you one thing. In this CI/CD world, every person will need a faster service. For example, previously we don't have Jepto. In 10 minutes nowadays, you are getting it. Means everyone is towards that one. It's not like till you will place the order, you will wait for half an hour to execute the test cases, you will write the code, you will review it, and you will do these things. No. In future, it's not like that. Future is different. Future is AI everywhere. Okay. That's how it is. So I think it won't be any competitor, the Playwright will be competitor for this Tosca. That's genre is different and this genre is different. Okay. Yeah, it won't replace any jobs. It will create more jobs. Why? Because with Playwright, you can't automate SAP. With Playwright, you can't automate any desktop application. API testing. No, it's not possible with Playwright. Okay. Yeah. Next question, please. Any other question, guys? Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity to teach you. So if you're pretty much interested, come with an empty brain. If you want a career growth, a good career growth with very good high packages, we have a approach. I know I have placed a lot of persons. I know how to teach, how to start, how to do these things and everything I will teach you. Please understand the subject and please contact us. We will take your time. We have 2 batches, morning and evening. So whatever the batch you are comfortable, please join there and see you guys in the next class. Until then, bye-bye. Have a nice weekend. Take care. See you in the next class. Bye, team.
Thanks, Rajesh.
Thank you all. Bye-bye. Have a nice weekend. Bye, team. Thanks. Whoever not filled the form, please fill the form.